In the name of Allah, the most merciful and the most beneficent. Hello everyone, welcome to Mathematics Basic to Advanced level. In this lecture, I will solve past paper AJK PSC 2019 MCQs, that is, let S be a non-empty set and star be the binary operations defined on it. If binary operation star is associative, then S star is semi-group. Solution, that is definition, let S be a non-empty set and star be a binary operation defined on it. If binary operation star is associative, then S star is called semi-group. So option B is correct, which is the required solution. If you like my lecture, then please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for latest update on my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching my YouTube lecture. Okay, Allah Hafiz.